Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we'll try to make this video uncut and unfiltered as much as possible. I made one video MS in US some 2 years back. When I was back in India, I was like about to start my journey in the US, and today I am like some 2 years, 2 months now. I graduated, and I just wanted to tell you about my experience, the time when I made that video. I didn't know how those experience will be. I knew what all experience were, but it has been like completely different, completely challenging. And I just like jotted out some points which I wanted to share with you all. And let me know if this video is really helpful for you guys so that I can make some similar content for you. First thing is, when you come to US, the lifestyle here is, I guess it takes a 180-degree turn. You have to do your own chores. You have to like make sure that you're prepping your food, you are cooking it, cleaning your clothes, utensils, and even the lavatory, washroom, any and everything which you have to do by your own. I'll say the culture here is pretty different than India. Similar with the like study culture also. Uh, Study culture, I'll say that in my 2 years, I have seen many students who's like who has their journey which has been almost similar to what they had back in India. They come here, they are hugely dependent on keys and helps, and they sail through. So it's their method and it works. I know no one has said that in open, and I wanted to just like say it out loud. I won't say that everyone who comes here becomes like a huge scientist as thing, that they start say writing journals, writing papers. It doesn't happen like that. Here also people take different kinds of help, and they pretty much study to pass the exams. What's the different and the most key thing here is the money which you are investing. In my earlier video, I told you like it's an investment of around 40,000 to $50,000, and if I have to add up everything, um, my investment was around $48,000, which I guess in Indian currency it will be around like 35, 36 lakhs or around 40 lakhs, depending on whatever the rate is right now. But the best part was um, I got to do two internships. So in that I saved around like $16,000, which again I have to invest back. Like if you'll do the maths, you'll see that around $31,000 is something which I have to invest really to get my master's done, if I have like managed the money well. So if you're planning to do masters, it's around 30 to $40,000 of investment. Nothing more than that if everything like falls into your place and you're doing whatever you're doing like really great. Apart from that, if you'll ask me what's the biggest difference you find in Indian education and US education, I'll say the structure which US education system has, it is more on the practical approach. There is definitely theory is involved in any kind of business course, but it's more practical approach that you may learn 10,000 things from a book, but if you're not doing it out in open, you ain't learning anything. And that's what happens basically back in India also. But the thing is, in India there are a lot of colleges, and there is not structured um, education system or the like highly qualified professors in every university. I come from a very decent tier one university, so I know our university has like the best faculty which a country could offer. But that's not the case with every university. The same thing happens in US also, but I can say that most of the faculty here are PhD holders. They know what they are doing, and they have proved themselves in the industry. So the journey has been pretty good. I got a chance to do many things. One more thing which people usually ask me, like, what was the biggest challenge? Do you miss home? I don't think I get uh, time enough time to miss my home. because the curriculum was very regressive. You have to work hard if you want to achieve something, and that's what my goal was. So I had to really work hard into everything, so that I don't think I got enough chance to miss home. The most difficult thing which I had here was, I guess, something which everyone should learn in their primary schools or secondary schools: how to manage money efficiently, because this is the one thing which you can learn in your, say, undergraduation, or in your early years before you start earning, so that you actually know, like, how well you are spending, or how much you are saving, so all those kinds of things. Honestly, I believe that this country has the best education to offer, because the talent which this country has. We all are immigrants who come here and study and try to make our mark in the world. But the thing is that US offers a platform which I guess is not available right now in other developing nations. Here you can come, here you can pitch your ideas, you can make something out of it if you're really working hard towards it. So that was what my MS in US journey. Okay, so I'm trying to make different videos on lifestyle in US, different cultures, and how much money I invested, and how much I gained back. If you like the content of this video, and if you want to see all those kinds of video, please comment down below or hit the like button, and there might be subscribe button right down here or there. Just click on it so that I can know that you guys are watching it. I know this content is something which you are liking, so that I can make more videos on it. And let me know what do you want to know about this education system. So see you soon in my next video.